In this continuation of the asset protection story, we learn that Janice's captive insurer was underfunded and would not be able to pay a liability claim for a horrific accident that occurred at one of her wine shops. Janice's $100 million profit from the sale of her wine shops is the most likely source of funds to pay the claim. EWP Financial employs asset protection as an integral part of each EWP asset structure, embedding it in the design of a comprehensive structure. Historically, trusts were used to shield assets from excessive taxation, unreasonable claims of creditors, and bankruptcy. However, the use of trusts to shield lawful claims of creditors was recognized as a practice not conducive to sound public practice. Today it is called fraudulent conveyance. Spendthrift provisions create an irrevocable trust preventing creditors from attaching the interest of the beneficiary in the trust before that interest is actually distributed to them. However, spendthrift trusts had limitations. For example, some states carved out exceptions for creditors holding judgments for unpaid alimony and child support. In the late 1980s, in the U.S., most legal practitioners agreed that spendthrift clauses could protect the rights of beneficiaries of trusts, but you could not create a trust that exempted your assets from creditors, a self-settled spendthrift trust. Brian faces the unintended victim, who might be the cause of his client's demise, and his own firing from a lucrative client of his firm. Brian had established a captive insurance company for Janice, but he poorly monitored the captive insurer, giving responsibility over to the captive manager. The company's ability to pay a liability claim for Steve's fall was wholly inadequate. Because the captive had been established, Brian advised that they cancel their general liability and excess liability insurance policies. To make matters worse, there was also scant legal defense to mount for the negligent behavior of the store clerk. The article ends on a cliffhanger, with the question of where the funds to pay for this horrific accident would come from. Stay tuned for Part 4 to learn more.